What's my best mistake? Well, if you were asking my mother what my best mistake was, it would probably be that I didn't marry that doctor I was dating. You know, the one who tried to kill me one time. Now, when my mom told me that she was disappointed that I didn't try to marry the doctor who tried to kill me one time, I said, but he tried to kill me. And Mom said, but he was a doctor. You missed out. God, I couldn't make this stuff up if I tried. Now, you're asking me what my best mistake was. And I would have to say it was being too lazy to use a condom. That's what got me in this mess in the first place.